Hello, I'm Mickey Rogers, and I'm one of the authors of the Mind series. In the Mind series, there is a two-strand approach to teaching the 4 skills. One strand is micro-skills development. This focuses on developing specific sub-skills through a systematic syllabus. There are several key points for teaching sub-skills. First, don't take it for granted that students will automatically begin to use sub-skills simply by reading, listening, speaking, or writing a lot. Teach the sub-skills specifically and systematically. Second, make students aware of what the sub-skill is, why it is useful, and how to do it. For example, if you're working with the listening skill of understanding the main idea, you might want to give students an explanation like this. When you listen to a conversation, the important thing is to understand the topic and 1 or 2 main points about the topic. It's not necessary to understand every word or even most of the words. Listen for key words and repeated words. Third, treat teaching a skill as a process, just as you would in teaching a grammar point or a set of vocabulary. Finally, teach the sub-skills separately from each other and separately from other skills areas. For example, if the sub-skill is understanding vocabulary from context, work on that skill only. The other strand in Mind is macro skills use. The focus is on content and task outcome rather than on any particular sub-skill. 2 or more of the 4 skills are integrated. The objective is to use the skills in real-life types of tasks. An example might be something like this. First, students read letters to an advice column. Second, they write their own letter requesting advice. Finally, they read each other's letters and give each other advice, either orally or in writing. So depending on how the task is done, the students are using at least 2 and possibly all 4 of the skills. We are not requiring them to use any specific sub-skills because the focus is now on how successfully they can do a communicative task that integrates the skill areas. A good 4-skill syllabus should include both approaches, the development of specific sub-skills, as well as practice in integrating the skills in real-life communicative tasks.